And unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Indian Harbour Beach local and long-distance movers near me. Several movers Indian Harbour Beach has in it are local movers, like Indian Harbour Beach local TM movers, and can assist you if you want to move from one part of it to another. Local movers will give you a safe, smooth, and quick relocation because they know much about what affects relocation in the city, from regulations to routes and traffic and unique challenges, and know how to handle them. It's better to let them assist you than to carry out local relocation by yourself. Unlike local movers, long-distance movers focus on moving items from city to city or state to state. They may not know the routes and traffic of a particular city, but they can handle long drives and navigate the complexities of moving long distances. Get yourself a long-distance mover if you want to move into Indian Harbour Beach. They are certified to move from state to state, so they can help you move into the city even if you live outside Florida. They are familiar with the regulations of different states, so they can avoid things that will delay your relocation. They use special packing materials to keep your things safe during relocation. Several FL movers, including Indian Harbour Beach long-distance 3 movers, are long-distance movers. When you choose one to work with, ensure the company has insurance coverage and look out for cheaper options, so you won't spend more than you have to. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Indian Harbour Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.